All right, Impala LFX13. Let me try this before it gets too much noise here. I did the install a few days ago, maybe a week, and I'm going to do somewhat of a cold start. We're late in the afternoon, and I used it this morning. So I'm going to start it up, let it idle, and give it a quick revs. So we're with the aFe Takeda exhaust for a 2019 to a 2024 Rav4. Yeah, so of course my neighbor had to use his grass trimmer. So I want to show you, since I have it, that's the original um, axle back. It's not really, well, the axle is where the bent is, but really it's, you have a cat and a resonator before that. So that's the exhaust, very easy to do. Use some penetrating lube to help a bit. And yeah, that's it. So that's how it looks like. I'll try to take a peek under quickly. For the old school ones, looks like it's still an exhaust. So yeah, that's the exhaust. And it's nice to have a little bass during the drive with it. The stock exhaust is way too quiet. But if you want something loud, this exhaust is not loud, it's just mellow. Take care, bye.